Okay, let's take a deep breath as we prepare for what's coming this week. We have colder temperatures ahead, already below freezing, and breezy conditions this afternoon. At least gusts are only up to 18 miles an hour, but when you combine the breezes and the colder temperatures along with the cloud cover that we'll be building in, yeah, it's going to be feeling quite cold out there. But wow, here's a nice view from our Wesco Home Furnishings Tower Cam. You guys, this is probably the nicest view we've had maybe in weeks, maybe. Yeah, I mean, we saw a lot of fog last week, so this is what I'm talking about. Wesco Home Furnishings Tower Cam blessing us this morning, and hopefully this just means everyone's day today is going to be great. Our Freeman Health First Alert Doppler has temperatures in the 20s, Joplin 27 degrees, Grove 28. Already right here along southeast Kansas right here. Winter storm watches have gone into effect. That will last till about right now, Wednesday at 6 p.m. We could see that change depending on everything really and how that kind of comes into play. But at first tonight, we're really just looking at the rainfall chances. Now, we're currently seeing about some areas could see like right here, Branson, over ½ an inch, but not too much of that activity is predicted. It's more so going to be a wintry mix of things. But the rain will start this evening, then that will progress into tomorrow and transition to some possible snow chances. It's very minimal though for tomorrow. A lot of that snow picking up will be scheduled for Wednesday, by Tuesday evening. Springfield though could see possibly over 4 inches. A lot of that activity is looking to be more so to the east, Monette and Branson at least 2 inches. So we'll be keeping an eye out for that because again, this is only Tuesday. Wednesday is when a second system will be moving in, bringing us a lot more of that impactful snow and impacts as well. But a lot of the north is expected to see more so that snow. Again, Kansas already under winter storm watch, but parts of southern Missouri are also likely to see that activity come through. But this system right here is the scattered showers and storm system. Again, it will be moving through tonight. It will start to really pick up tomorrow. We'll see it start to shift more so to the northeast before a second system begins to build into the region right here, coming in from the south. And then right here, we can also see some low pressure right here carrying a cold front and a warm front down there. But this is what we're really looking at because Wednesday, we could see snow for a majority of our day. Possibly, again, that's where we could see possibly over 2 inches as a whole across the region. More than that, we are certainly, or a little uncertain, I should say, about certain amounts in certain areas. But again, we could see different amounts of snow accumulations across shorter distances just because, it can really travel in different ways across the area. We'll be having more updates on that the closer we do get to tomorrow, but for today's highs, Joplin 45 degrees, Coffeyville 46. So we are looking to be more so closer to our average as a whole out there. Monette 42 degrees. I'd say it's going to be a bit on the cooler side, but again, not too shabby. We're going to really cool down though tonight for lows in the freezing temperatures. Again, freezing is 32 degrees, so just be prepared for that. But this is more seasonally what we're used to seeing this time of year for our evenings before we start to really cool down. Look at this tonight, you guys. 30s. Yeah, 30s. I don't remember the last time we really were, okay, I'm being dramatic, you guys. I was so comfortable with the 70s last week and 70s and 60s, and now we're back to normal. But Thursday's high, only 28 degrees. Friday's high is 42 degrees, and as we get closer to our weekend, 30 right there. So we are prepared for cooler temperatures. Those rain chances will be coming through again starting late tonight. You really won't have to worry about too much today besides the cold and the breezes, but we'll have more coming up over the next couple of days. Here's a look at your KSN forecast.